For this video, I'm going to show you my favorite supplies and tips for bullet journaling and Bible journaling and just watercolor in general. The first thing I'm going to share with you are pens. These are color therapy markers, and yeah, so these are more of a marker than a pen, but they still have like a pretty pointy tip, which I really like. And you can still do calligraphy with them by just doing like the cheating kind of calligraphy. These are just gel pens, and so these are perfect for if you want to do like thin things like for coloring and like do thin lines. This is a jelly roll and it's white, so say you mess up, you can simply just roll on over the thing that you messed up and it fixes it. This is a Micron pen, and this is 03, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this has amazingly sharp like lines. I love it. It's awesome for calligraphy because then I use my Tombow, and it's called like a brush pen, I believe, and it's perfect for calligraphy because then what I'll do is I'll just go right over the words that I drew with the Micron pen, and it makes this look beautiful. Like, I love to do this. This is my bullet journal, and I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I love the design on it. And basically, things that you can put in there are an index, calendars of different months, add some fun colors, and do washi tape. Just do what makes you happy and write cute little like designs and notes and just things like that. You can do habit trackers, snack ideas, draw succulents, movies to watch, all kinds of things. Something that I really like to use are stamps, and basically what you do is you just dip them in an ink pad and then you put them on paper. And this particular ink pad is from Craftsmart, and it's just a really nice one. I really love it. And so you can create some really cute stuff, and you can use them in your journaling Bible. This journaling Bible is from Crossway.com, and in it you can use watercolor or, you know, those stamps that I was showing you. You can do some tie-dye and just different things. I even did some pencil art. So yeah, you can just experiment. Now, there will be some fails. As you can see, I failed on this one. The waves just did not turn out, or the bow. It just, I don't know really what happened, but you will get fails, but you know, that's just how you learn. Also, this is a watercolor palette I use. It has beautiful colors, and I just use some paintbrushes. This one's a little bit thicker. This one, I love this one. I also have a small one and a little bit medium size. I use them all. This is my watercolor like notebook type of thing, and I basically just do my watercolor in it. As you can see here, I did some turtles and I do elephants, and this one was also fail, but you just gotta keep practicing. And that's the end of this video. I hope that you like it, and I hope that it helps and gives you some inspiration.